Hello and welcome kids once again to your SST classes of grade 5th. In this part of the video, we are going to study, I'm going to tell you about the new chapter of your SST course book, that is the chapter number 6, the land of hot sand, that is the Saudi Arabia. Okay, and you all are familiar with the thing that sand, they are found in the desert areas. Wherever the large amount of sandy regions are there, the land is covered with loose sands. Those areas are known as desert places. So in the previous chapter, we have studied about the one of the most cold regions of the world, that is the Greenland. Okay, polar climate it is having. And in this part of the chapter, we are going to study about the land of hot sand, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Okay, and the name of the place is Saudi Arabia. So in the previous chapter, we have read about a region having extremely cold climate. Extremely means बहुत ही ज़्यादा, very much. Okay, every time this word is coming in your chapters, so you should know the meaning of this term. Extremely means very much. So obviously that's what I have told you, that in the previous chapter we have studied about a region, Greenland, that was having very much cold climate. So in this chapter we will discuss about a region of the world experiencing hot climate. But इस chapter में हम क्या discuss करने जा रहे हैं? About a region of a world, about a place, about a country of the world which is experiencing, which is having very much hot climate. बहुत ही ज़्यादा जिसका वातावरण, जो जलवायु है, जो वेदर है, जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस है, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हॉट है, वहाँ पे गर्म है. Deserts are the areas of the world with very low rainfall, which also experience extremes of hotness and coldness. Deserts वो रीजन होते हैं, वो एरियाज है, वो प्लेसेस हैं वर्ल्ड के जहाँ पे बहुत ही कम बारिश होती है, वेरी स्कैंटी रेनफॉल इज देयर, वेरी लिटिल रेनफॉल, एंड विच ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंसेस एक्सट्रीम्स ऑफ हॉटनेस. वहाँ पे गर्मी, समर सीजन में गर्मी भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और विंटर सीजन में ठंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. ठीक है, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज नोन एज एक्सट्रीम टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट, वेयर देयर इज extremely hot, where there is severe hot during the summer season and it is very much cold during the winter season. Such type of climates are known as extreme type of climates. Okay, the deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold deserts. Okay, now you have to see that, you have to learn that deserts, जो desert region होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे desert सिर्फ गर्म ही होते हैं या गर्म climate ही रखते हैं. No, deserts are also of two types. One is the hot desert and second is the cold deserts. Now Arabian, Thar and Sahara are the example of some hot deserts. Now hot desert places or the examples include Arabian, the Saudi Arabia, Thar and Sahara. Thar is in India and Sahara desert, it is in Africa. This is the Arabian desert, this is the Sahara desert, and Thar desert, it is in our India, in the western region, including the Rajasthan. Okay, so these are some of the examples of hot deserts, whereas Ladakh and Gobi, they are the cold deserts of the world. Okay, और ये जो दो deserts हैं, लद्दाख और गोबी, these are the name examples of cold deserts of the world. In this chapter we shall learn about the Arabian desert. So इस चैप्टर में हम कौन से डेजर्ट के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं? वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द अरेबियन डेजर्ट एंड दैट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हॉट डेजर्ट्स, एंड ऑन द वर्ल्ड मैप इट्स लोकेशन इज हियर. दिस इज द अरेबियन डेजर्ट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट इट्स लोकेशन. So Saudi Arabia, a country in Middle East, is located in the Arabian desert. तो जो सऊदी अरेबिया कंट्री है मिडिल ईस्ट में, it is situated in the Middle East. It is not properly in the east and not properly in the middle. So this portion is known as Middle East. Okay. So Saudi Arabia एक कंट्री है जो मिडिल ईस्ट में जो अरेबियन डेजर्ट लोकेटेड है, इस अरेबियन डेजर्ट में ये कंट्री है सऊदी अरेबिया. Okay, and this Arabian desert is situated in the Middle Eastern part of the world map. Okay, and Saudi Arabia country is here. It is surrounded by the Red Sea in the west. Okay, In the west there is Red Sea, which you can see in this map. This is the western part of this Saudi Arabia, or you can say the Arabian Desert. So it is surrounded by the Red Sea in the west, Arabian Sea in the south. Now let's see, this is the Arabian Sea. It is present in the south of this country, and Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman towards the east. Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Here it is. This is the Persian Gulf, and there is the Gulf of Oman. This is the Oman. So it is the Gulf of Oman. Okay, Gulf of Oman. So Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman is present towards the eastern side of this Saudi Arabia. So these are some of the neighboring things, neighboring water bodies and neighboring countries and the gulfs which are surrounding this Saudi Arabia, which is present in the Arabian Desert. So if we have to define, if we have to tell about its location, then we will have to give the details of all these things. That Saudi Arabia, which is a country, it is located in the Arabian Desert in the Middle East, and it is surrounded by the Red Sea in the west, Arabian Sea in the south of its south, and Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. These all are the names of the places. Okay, Persian Gulf, Gulf of Oman. Now what is the meaning of Gulf? That you should know. Gulf means a part of the sea that is almost surrounded by land. Okay, समंदर का वो हिस्सा जो कि पूरी तरीके से सराउंडेड है लैंड से, उस समंदर के आसपास धरती भी है, लैंड रीजन, लैंड एरियाज भी हैं. ओके, सो दैट पार्ट ऑफ द सी इज नोन एज गल्फ. ओके, so it is the Persian Gulf, Gulf of Oman towards the east. In the north, Jordan, Israel, Iraq and Kuwait are situated, whereas Yemen, Oman and UAE. UAE means United Arab Emirates. Okay, so this is the full form of UAE. U for United, A for Arab, E for Emirates. They are located in the south. So these are some of the names of the countries, places which are located like in the north, Jordan, Israel. You can see also in the north Jordan. Where is Jordan? Israel. It is the Jordan, Kuwait, Iraq. Are you able to find the Israel? Israel I am not able to find. So it must be near about in the north. Okay, and then UAE. So all these things, all these places, they are situated in the north: Jordan, Israel, Iraq and Kuwait. So these four places, four countries are situated, whereas Yemen, Oman and UAE, they are located in the south of this Saudi Arabia. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer passes through Saudi Arabia. Tropic of Cancer को हिंदी में कर्क रेखा कहते हैं, and you must have studied it in your third chapter that there are two imaginary lines passing through the earth, planet earth. One is in the northern part, it is the Tropic of the Cancer. In the southern part, near about the southern part, little bit above the southern part, it is the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so these two imaginary lines are present on the two sides, one on the north side, one on the south side respectively of the equator. Okay, so that's what I have written. Tropic of Cancer means one of the two lines around the earth that are north and south of the equator. Okay, so जो north में है that is known as Tropic of Cancer, और जो equator के south में है that is known as Tropic of Capricorn. So जो Tropic of Cancer imaginary line है, it is also passing through the Saudi Arabia country. Okay, so this was about its location. Okay, no, little bit more is left in the next page. Saudi Arabia is a big country. As you can see, it is quite a big country as it is appearing from the map. तो ये काफ़ी बड़ी country है, but has a small population because it is the desert region and there is little rainfall and there is extremes of climate. So because of all these physical features, climatic hardships, maybe the population is less over there. It is a big country but it has a small population. जो जनसंख्या है वो कम है. The land is mostly a rocky plateau which is covered with loose sand. और जो उसके land regions है वो ज़्यादातर पत्थरों से बने हैं. पठार है वहाँ पे, छोटे छोटे पत्थरों के पठार हैं और वो कवर्ड होते हैं सैंड ड्यून्स, इस तरीके के रेत के टीले से. मतलब जो लैंड फॉर्म्स है वहाँ पे वो ज़्यादातर रेत के जो टीले आपको दिख रहे हैं छोटे छोटे, मतलब जो पठार रेत के दिख रहे हैं उसे ही हम सैंड ड्यून्स कहते हैं. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द फाइल पिक्चर ऑफ सैंड ड्यून्स. तो मतलब इस तरीके का लैंड फॉर्म. The land is mostly covered with the sandy soil, you can say, okay, or the sand dunes. Sand dunes means loose mound of sands. रेत के छोटे छोटे पठार या छोटे छोटे टीले. Okay, so which is covered with loose sand. The hills of loose sands are called sand dunes. That's what I have told you right now. The hills of loose sand are called sand dunes. मतलब जो रेतीली मिट्टी है उसके जो छोटे छोटे आपको पठार नज़र आ रहे हैं, हिल्स टाइप नज़र आ रहे हैं, ओके, उन्हें ही हम सैंड ड्यून्स कहते हैं. These sand hills can move from one place to another by strong winds. और जब वहाँ पे strong winds, तेज हवाएं चलती हैं तो these sand dunes they can move from one place to the another place. They can shift also. And dust storms. By strong winds and dust storms, धूल भरी आंधियां भी और तेज हवाएं भी. Okay, that is called the dust storms. These are very common features in the desert areas. Okay, that these areas faces strong winds and dust storms which can move the sand dunes from one place to another. And this thing you must have studied in your grade 4th also in the chapter in the topic of the Great Indian Desert. Okay. So now it is also a kind of example of hot desert. So things will be similar over here also, like the sand dunes, like the dust storms, strong winds. Okay. Saudi Arabia has no perennial rivers or lakes. Perennial river means river which has constant stream. Constant stream means water all year. ऐसी नदियाँ जिसमें पानी बना रहे पूरे साल, ऑलमोस्ट पूरे साल, उन नदियों को हम पेरेनियल रिवर्स कहते हैं. तो सऊदी अरेबिया के पास ऐसी कोई भी पेरेनियल रिवर्स नहीं है, कोई भी झीलें नहीं है. लेक्स मीन्स झील, means to say that natural water resources, natural water bodies in the form of rivers or lakes, they are not there in the Saudi Arabia country. Okay. However, its coastline extends for 260 km on the Red Sea that offers world-class coral reefs, including those in the Gulf of Aqaba. लेकिन जो इसकी कोस्ट लाइन है, कोस्ट लाइन मीन्स समंदर के किनारे की जो प्लेसेस हैं, that is the coastline. You can see it is surrounded by the Red Sea in the western part and this is called the coastline. Okay, this आपको ये समंदर के पास के जो ये तटीय स्थल दिख रहे हैं, coastal regions, coastal places. So ये जो इसकी कोस्ट लाइन है, okay, that is extending means spreading for 260 km on the Red Sea. तो रेड सी पे जो इसकी कोस्ट लाइन है उसकी लेंथ, उसकी एक्सटेंशन, इट इज अबाउट 260 किलोमीटर. और ये वर्ल्ड क्लास कोरल रीफ्स. नाउ व्हाट आर कोरल रीफ? कोरल रीफ इज अ लार्ज स्ट्रक्चर मेड ऑफ डेड एंड living corals. What are corals? They are polyps nidaria. It is actually, spelling is CNIDARIA, but it is pronounced nidaria. And these are sea organisms. These are the organisms which are living inside the deep below the oceans. Okay, so these are known as sea animals. Okay, so these animals, they are called corals. These are the examples, polyps and nidaria, which secrete means which release an exoskeleton. वो अपनी बॉडी से एक एक्सोस्केलेटन, एक बाहरी स्ट्रक्चर को रिलीज करते हैं, छोड़ते हैं. दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. और वो किस चीज़ का बना होता है? वो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट मिनरल कह लो या कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट सब्सटेंस, इस चीज़ से बना होता है. और यही उनका जो स्ट्रक्चर है उस पूरे सी सरफेस के बाहर इस कोस्ट लाइन पे भी नज़र आता है. ओके, एंड ये वर्ल्ड क्लास कोरल रीफ्स और वो जो स्ट्रक्चर वो बनाते हैं दैट इज नोन एज कोरल रीफ्स. ओके, सो ये वर्ल्ड क्लास मतलब बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के कोरल रीफ्स यहाँ हमें देखने को मिलते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग दोज इन द गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा. वेयर इज द गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा? It is present here, Gulf of Aqaba, and I have already told you Gulf means a part of the sea that is almost surrounded by land. ये sea का वो रीजन है, लेकिन ये सराउंड कर लिया गया है, ये घिरा हुआ है लैंड से, धरती से. ओके, सो इट इज द गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा. So this is an example of good quality of coral reefs. Now the next topic is climate. The general climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. That I have already told you because it is the hot desert. It is coming in the example of hot desert. So वहाँ की जो general climate की हम बात करें तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा hot है और dry है. Dry इसलिए because there is little rainfall. वहाँ पे बारिश बिल्कुल ना के बराबर है. That's why बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी है और सूखापन भी है वहाँ के एनवायरमेंट में. डे टेम्परेचर इज़ वेरी हाई, सो द सैंड बिकम्स वेरी हॉट. जो दिन का टेम्परेचर होता है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है. द टेम्परेचर ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम इट इज़ वेरी मच हाई, वेरी मच. ओके, सो द सैंड जो वहाँ पे रेत है इट बिकम्स वेरी मच हॉट. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाती है. डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स आर कॉमन. वहाँ पे धूल भरी आंधियाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन है, मतलब कॉमनली धूल भरी आंधियाँ चलती रहती है वहाँ पे. नाइट्स आर कूल एंड प्लीजेंट. बट वहाँ पे जो रात होती है, एज वी हैव स्टडीड, दीज आर द desert regions, and the deserts are having which type of climate? Extreme type of climate. Where we have studied this thing? Yes, experiencing hot climate. Deserts areas of the world with very low rainfall, which also experience extremes of hotness and coldness. Okay, so दिन के समय तो बहुत गर्मी हो जाती है, बट रात के समय बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है. तो रात लोगों को ऑब्वियसली दिन की गर्मी के बाद इफ नाइट्स विल बी कूल तो वो लोगों को प्लीजेंट तो लगेगी. इट विल बी अ गुड फील गुड फैक्टर फॉर देम. द समर सीजन कॉन्टिन्यूज फ्रॉम मे टू सेप्टेम्बर. कैन यू सी द एक्सटेंशन? मे, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सेप्टेम्बर. 5 long months of summer season is there. Okay, the summer season continues from May to September. So these are all the climatic things, climatic factors, climatic facts which are of this Saudi Arabia country. Now during the winter days are warm and nights are cold due to the hot sand. During the winter के समय जो days होते हैं वो गर्म होते हैं. Obviously sunlight will be there, तो days will be hot and nights are cold. और जो रात है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है. It lasts from October to April. और जो winter season है वो अक्टूबर से अप्रैल तक extend करता है. There is hardly any rainfall, means there is no rainfall or there is very little rainfall. Okay, the climate along the coastal areas is pleasant. Coastal areas means the areas near the Red Sea, the areas near the this Arabian Sea. Okay, the areas near this Persian Gulf. तो जो भी coastal areas हैं, coastal areas means the places, the lands near about the coast. The coastal areas near about the oceans, near about the seas. समंदर के पास के जो लैंड रीजन्स होते हैं, तो कोस्टल एरियाज पे क्लाइमेट अच्छा होता है, प्लीजेंट होता है. प्लीजेंट मीन्स गुड. ओके, डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स आर क्वाइट कॉमन. लेकिन जो डेजर्ट रीजन है जहाँ पे सैंड ड्यून्स है वहाँ पे डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स, धूल भरी आंधियाँ बहुत कॉमनली हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रिक्वेंटली दे अपियर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एंड मेक द स्काई हेजी. वो अचानक से ही आ जाते हैं धूल भरी आंधियाँ और स्काई को हेजी बना देते हैं. हेजी मीन्स नॉट क्लियर, बिकॉज इफ देयर विल बी डस्ट एंड डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स ऑल अराउंड तो ऑब्वियसली द स्काई, द थिंग्स विल नॉट बी विजिबल. अगर पूरे एरिया में जो वहाँ का क्लाइमेट है, जो वहाँ का रीजन है, अगर धूल भरी आंधियाँ चलने लगेंगी और वो सैंड ड्यून्स को दे विल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, तो ऑब्वियसली द जो स्काई रीजन है, जो एरिया है, वो पूरा हेजी हो जाएगा. ओके, nothing is clearly visible. One cannot see the sky clearly during those dust storms because it makes the sky hazy. पूरी जो आसमान है वो धूल से भर जाता है for the few time, जब तक कि वो dust storms चल रहे होते हैं. Okay, they are appearing over there. So this was about the climate of this country, Saudi Arabia. So that's all for today's class. You do the reading of this chapter up to where I have taught you. Next of the topics we will cover in the next part of this chapter video. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you for the class.